Guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Tadi saya tengah cakap cerita guys. Cerita.
When this guy was watching a soccer match, he remembered seeing a really beautiful wave in the stadium before. He told his friend that he could make a wave like that too. His friend warned him that it wouldn't work, but he was confident he could do it. However, things didn't go as he expected, because no one stood up to join the wave. When this guy was watching a soccer match, he remembered seeing a really beautiful wave in the stadium before. He told his friend that he could make a wave like that too.
I'm so excited to play on a bench. I'm so excited. Yes, yes. I'm so excited to play on a
Tak panjang main situ. Okey, biar nampak belakang. Guys, aku pasang cerita guys. Korang nak cerita apa ni guys? Cuba komen guys. Tengok guys. Jadi guys, saya suka binatang guys. Apa kata kita tengok pasal binatang? Nak tahu guys? Tu guys. Bukan itu guys. Jom guys, kita tengok yang ni guys. Itu je guys. Tak apalah guys. Okay guys, saya rasa saya tak nak habiskan video ni dekat sini. Saya akan tunjuk kat korang apa yang saya akan tengok. Okey korang. Jangan. Tepi apa nak sabar. Dah lah. Aduh beg ni. Biar nampak aku sana. Okay guys, korang nak tengok tak YouTube channel saya guys? Okay, let's do guys. Okay, guys, YouTube channel saya. Ya, apa pula guys? Di mana ada letak yang ni guys? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Aidin. Sekarang kita akan main game. Tepi belakang. Okay guys, ni bukan saya, ni adik saya, Aidin. Okay lah guys, tak apalah guys. Saya nak buat video ni habis kat sini dulu. Bye bye. Sambung nanti next video.